Okay, I have these fibers. I hope you can see them. I got some on my hand. It's on just the side that the pulley's on, and it looks like they could be coming from the belt. They look fibrous, fiber whatever-ish. Dirty-ish, greasy-ish, grime-ish, but fiber-ish. Possibly the rubber of the belt. This comes back to what I was saying about oh, that's tight. In the morning, I might have to loosen that up. That's a tight belt, dude. In the morning, it sounds like a bag of marbles, like a metal can full of marbles for about 20 seconds. And then it slowly fades away. And after about 45 seconds, the sound is gone. I just got some Valvoline, and I'm going to do a switch out slowly. Like every day I get home, I'm going to switch some out. And I'm going to do a whole nother container of that. I'm actually going to do an experiment with it, which is, like I totally want to do this, but I'm going to get a vial, and I'm going to put what it looks like now into that vial, and then I'm going to extract a vial when I'm done with one container, and then I'm going to extract a vial when I'm done with the second container. And I want to see for myself what 2 of these over time will do, when it's the easiest thing you can do if you don't have any immediate problems. And you already know that because you taught me that. So I'm thinking there's a viscosity issue. I don't know, which could easily be a result of something too tight. But I'm definitely going to use the Valvoline. I don't know if it's a Honda Power thing or if it's a Valvoline thing. I'll say, from what I know, Valvoline is better than almost any product. So, especially the power steering. I mean, this shit stops leaks better than Stop Leak. And it's crystal clear almost. It's like pure. I put all kinds of shit in there. And this thing outperformed everything times 10.